Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting recipe in store for you, steamed beancurd sticks with bean thread noodles. It's a dish that combines delicate flavors and delightful textures. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll soak the dried beancurd sticks and bean thread noodles in water overnight, allowing them to soften and become palatable. Once they are ready, we'll place the soaked bean thread noodles on a plate and carefully arrange the beancurd sticks on top, creating a beautiful base for our dish. Next, we'll turn our attention to the aromatics. We'll separate the scallion whites from the grains and mince both of them. We'll also mince some fresh cilantro, adding a burst of freshness to the dish. In a saucepan over medium-high heat, we'll heat some cooking oil. To infuse the oil with flavors, we'll add the minced scallion whites and ground ginger, stirring until fragrant. Then, we'll introduce a combination of light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some water, creating a savory and aromatic soup. Once it reaches a boil, we'll carefully pour this flavorful soup over the beancurd sticks. For an extra kick, we'll add fresh chili paste on top, elevating the dish with a spicy element. Now, it's time to steam our creation. We'll place the plate with the beancurd sticks and bean thread noodles in a steamer over high heat, allowing them to steam for approximately 10 minutes. This gentle cooking method ensures that the flavors melt together beautifully and the textures become wonderfully soft and tender. Once the steaming is complete, we'll garnish the dish with the minced scallion, greens, and cilantro, adding a pop of color and freshness. To enhance the aroma, we'll finish off by drizzling some sizzling hot cooking oil over the dish. And there you have it! Your steamed beancurd sticks with bean thread noodles are now ready to be savored. This dish offers a delightful combination of flavors, textures, and aromas that will impress your taste buds. I encourage you to give this recipe a try and share your thoughts with me. Your feedback means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time with another delicious recipe.